This Manduka X Yoga Mat feels noticeably more substantial than typical gym mats, with cushioning that keeps knees and wrists comfortable during longer practices and high-impact sessions alike. Its surface has a grippy, crosshatched texture that holds up well when hands get sweaty, so poses and bodyweight drills feel stable rather than slippery. The mat is long and wide enough for most users to stretch out fully, yet light enough that carrying it between home, studio, and field is not a chore. Construction quality is excellent, with a dense, closed surface that resists soaking up sweat and odors, making it easier to wipe down and keep hygienic. Because it balances firmness with padding, this mat transitions smoothly from yoga to strength training, core work, and mobility drills without feeling either too squishy or too hard. Durability is a standout, as the mat maintains its shape and grip after repeated rolling, unrolling, and outdoor use, so it feels like a long-term training companion rather than a disposable accessory.